Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm David, and I'm very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, my friends. I'm Alice. I hope you are feeling relaxed and comfortable while listening.
Maybe you are cooking food right now. Maybe you are driving. Or maybe you are just resting and listening to English.
Yes, wherever you are, thank you for spending time with us. Today we have a very pleasant and easy topic.
We are going to talk about food you love, and how to describe taste in simple English.
This is very useful because we talk about food every day. We eat every day, so these words are very important.
Before we start, just a small reminder. If you enjoy listening and learning with us, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot and it helps other learners too.
Okay, now let's begin slowly and easily. First, we talk about basic taste words.
The first word is sweet. Sweet is a very common word in English.
Sweet means a taste like sugar. Sweet food often makes people happy.
For example, chocolate is sweet. Cake is sweet.
Ice cream is sweet. I really love ice cream, especially in summer.
Me too. Ice cream is sweet and cold and it feels very good.
Let's repeat together slowly. Ice cream is sweet.
Again, please repeat. Ice cream is sweet.
Very good. Now let's move to the next word.
The next word is salty. Salty means it has salt.
Many snacks are salty. For example, chips are salty.
French fries are salty. I like French fries, but not every day.
Yes, too much salty food is not healthy, but sometimes it is very tasty.
Let's repeat a simple sentence. French fries are salty.
Good job. Now let's learn another taste word.
The next word is sour. Sour is a strong taste.
When something is sour, your mouth feels funny. Sometimes your face changes.
Like when you eat a lemon. Lemon is very sour.
Yes, lemon is sour. Not sweet, very sour.
Repeat with us slowly. Lemon is sour.
Great. Now we have another important word.
The word is bitter. Bitter is a taste that many beginners don't like.
Yes, bitter food is not sweet at all. For example, black coffee is bitter.
Tea without sugar can be bitter too. Some people like it, some people don't.
That's okay. Everyone has different taste.
Let's repeat. Coffee is bitter.
Excellent. Now let's talk about food we love.
David, what food do you love?
I really love pizza. Pizza is very popular all around the world.
Yes, many people love pizza. Pizza is delicious.
Delicious is a very useful word. It means the food tastes very, very good.
So we can say pizza is delicious.
Let's repeat together. Pizza is delicious.
Pizza can be salty and sometimes a little sweet. It depends on the toppings.
Yes, and some pizza is spicy too. That is a good word to learn.
Spicy means hot food. It makes your mouth feel hot.
Like food with chili or pepper. Some people love spicy food.
I like spicy food, but only a little. Too spicy makes me cry.
Me too. Let's say a simple sentence. This food is spicy.
Now, dear listener, it's your turn. What food do you love?
You can say, I love rice. I love bread. I love noodles.
Say it out loud if you can. Speaking is very important.
Now let's talk about sweet food again. I love cake.
Cake is sweet and delicious, especially chocolate cake.
Yes, chocolate cake is sweet and very tasty, but I eat it only sometimes.
Let's repeat. Cake is sweet. Cake is delicious.
Now let's learn two very important phrases, I like and I love.
I like means it is good. I love means it is very, very good.
For example, I like apples. I love pizza.
Repeat slowly with us. I like apples. I love pizza.
Now let's describe another food together, hamburgers.
Hamburgers are salty. Hamburgers are delicious.
I love hamburgers, but not every day. Balance is important.
Now a small question for you. Is chocolate sweet or salty?
Chocolate is sweet. Very good if you said sweet.
Next question. Is lemon sweet or sour?
Lemon is sour. Great job if you answered.
Now let's talk about drinks. Drinks have taste too.
Tea can be bitter, but with sugar, tea is sweet.
Tea can be bitter. Coffee is bitter.
Let's repeat slowly. Juice is sweet. Coffee is bitter.
One time, David, I put salt in my tea by mistake.
Oh no, that is terrible.
Yes, the tea was very salty. I learned my lesson.
Mistakes are okay. We learn English by making mistakes. Now let's repeat key words slowly one more time. Sweet,
Salty,
sour,
bitter,
spicy.
delicious.
Now make a simple sentence. I love sweet food.
I like salty food.
You are doing very well. Be proud of yourself.
Keep listening, keep repeating. You are improving every day.
Before we finish, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal?
Is it sweet, salty, or spicy?
Write in simple English. Don't be shy.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
See you next time, my friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye.